Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the split screen on your Oppo A16. It's very useful if you want to work on both application in the same time. So go to the settings now, search for the conv install here, and there is a split screen option here. There is a small tutorial how to use it. You can enable it by pressing here, and as you see the tutorial says that you need to split your three fingers up. I will show you how it works. So let's try to some application. Let's swipe with the three fingers in and search choice application, second application which you want to have on the other screen. For my band it's message. And as you see, now you have a split screen and you can easily management of the both application here. Yep, that's it. You can easily management by the space of this app. You can close it by pressing back here and delete to get back to normal mode. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!